Good morning and greetings to everybody. Today we're going to shoot Uncle Jay's reel, and Evander has come all the way from Varka. He had some work as well in the north, and yeah, I've also picked up daily objects ka laptop sleeve, so technically we will be doing a reel over here. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Uncle Jay's. They've called us to test out their new menu. Now, if you're wondering where Uncle Jay's is, it's right next to the Panjim Church. We're just going to meet Vaughn and Vernon now. Where is it, man? Over there, next to the police officer.
So guys, we are here at Uncle Jay's and Mario's here coming to do a reel. But one question that the nation needs to know is, why is Mario?
We met the owner. Vernon's there, Vaughn's there, Melinda is here. So right now we're we're going to shoot a reel. Oh, this is bear. Yeah, the bear. I wore the Jack and Jones one, but then Evander called me Salmon by, so I was like, fuck it, I'm not wearing it. So I have the Vimto over here. Evander has the avocado. And what does Mario have? I gave it a 10 on 10 last time. So it's good. I wonder how the avocado tastes like.
First, let him do the last part. Yeah, that.
Last part do here in front of the beach.
Just click that first and then take the. And sitting over there.
Because the first one what you can show is not at this place. Somewhere else.
Correct. Yeah.
So I told Mario, I didn't tell directly, but indirectly I told him wear something nice. Okay, so we are doing a reel right now where Mario is depressed and is drinking that. That's the second part. But the first part we are going to show that he's sad, and then later he comes and he drinks. Oh shit. Okay, so I thought the concept was something else, but it is first Mario drinking that, and then he misses Uncle Jay's Nutella shake. Okay, so right now we just finished half of that Nutella shake so that we can show Mario is depressed or whatever. Honestly, coming here next to Panjim Church, it's a vibe. I'd say a 10 on 10 vibe.
No, we have to just throw it out. Yeah, and then 3, 2, 1, take. Throw hold this. Wait. It can fall, man.
This side.
We should come back in the same place so that the transition part that bounce. But you are doing.
Hi, Chakalche Burge. Reel 2 is complete, guys. I want to have this, but I'm not sure why we're not having. Hey, can we have this?
What?
Oh no,
Ask Vanan.
I think later. Vanan, are we using this later on? Or are we drink? Okay.
Then you will.
Cool.
So you're serious?
We are just making a line. Oh yeah, 3 lines. So people also can join us. We are randomly waiting to shoot a video, but let's see if it works.
Okay, Jonathan, tell us the item.
So the items are an Oreo topped truffle, maple syrup truffle, a dark chocolate cheesecake, and also I'm doing a Kit Kat waffle and a Nutella with banana waffle.
So we just did a banger shot. That is crossing that road. I think Melinda has taken the shots. What I am having right now is strawberry cheesecake milkshake, and I love it. It's good.
Come move behind. Can we let you hide?
First, I'll just take my round of theirs. for Alistair's YouTube.
You take my like sleeping and all.
Ah, sleeping? Heavy, huh? Mario's loose.
So on, how's it shooting and all? Are you vlogging today?
I'm not vlogging today, bro, because it's super exhausting. First of all, that I'm behind the camera. Yeah, correct. I'm behind the camera and I'm doing all the content work for you guys. So it's very difficult to pull up that shit.
You're a pookie, man. So Juan's been busy. Yesterday he was shooting for Meta. Today also he was shooting in the morning.
Yesterday.
For 2 days. For 2 days. Yesterday was the last day.
Yeah, yesterday was the last.
So he was shooting for Meta, and then today directly in the morning he came and started shooting here. And then later at night we might go to Vagator or Cisco.
Yeah,
Anjuna to fly the drone because it's not raining today, and he has to complete one project, so we have to go there to take some night shots and all. Okay, the main man has got his Oreo croffle. This is what maple syrup croffle and I don't know. I've never had dark chocolate cheesecake.
Enjoy.
We can't have this right away. We have to wait to record first, then some photographs, and then eat this. But yeah, this looks delicious. Oh, now I get it why it's called croffle, because it's shaped like croissant. Okay, this is banana waffle, chocolate waffle only, right?
Yeah.
This one banana chocolate waffle. Banana Nutella waffle, and what Melina has in her hand is Kit Kat stick waffle. I genuinely can't wait to have that. This is my review on this Oreo croffle. Honestly, it's the first time this new concept I'm having croissant and waffle. So croffle. When I had this over there, damn good. I would have this as a dessert. Honestly, a 10 on 10 from my side. If you don't want the Oreo one, you get this one. This is plain. And it's damn good. I think this is the plain one. I forgot what this is, but yeah. If you don't want some Oreo or something, go for this. I'm going to finish this. How's it, bro?
You guys give me understanding next to me. The Kit Kat slaps. I mean, this is something looking really creative and looks yum, and it tastes also yum. So 9 on 10.
You had the
I had a dark chocolate cheesecake and it's really good. I just give it a 8.5 out of 10. It's good. Not sweet also, not this. It's good. It's really good.
So guys, the next thing what I'm gonna have is this. It's a croffle and let's do a review. This one good. It's plain. I mean, if you don't want to have something heavy, go for this. If you want to have with Oreo and all some filling and all, then go for this one. So man, feed me, bro. Okay.
These are coming out.
Some romantic gestures.
That's good.
It was good when it was hot.
Okay. This is got done with Uncle Jay's. The food, the dessert, whatever you want to call it, it was damn good. And it started raining. We got all the shots what we wanted. We were just concerned about the outdoor shots because like what if it rains, and lately it's been pouring in Goa and I can't wait for the edit to come out. I'm sure it's going to be 10 on 10. My high recommendation for for Uncle Jay's, because this is their new menu and it's simple, it is small and it's good. It's going to fill you basically. Anyway, in Panjim, if you go somewhere out for lunch, come here and eat it. We came to Sarbush now, and some interesting joke I want to tell you guys is whenever we decide like let's go out to eat or something, when we're out, Mario stopped Mario's top recommendation will be Sarboos. Today, finally, after I don't know how many months, we are going to Sarboos. Before they were over here on top. Okay, where you can see that balcony.
After 10,000 requests from Mario, we are finally here at Sarboos.
Exactly, and now they've shifted, but I heard the ambience and all has become way better. I mean, before also it was good, but yeah, this time it's even better. And they started serving sushi as well. Ladies and gentlemen, Sarboos. What? Something that we all order, Diet Coke and lime. It's usually our go-to drink anyway for weddings as well. We have ordered the chonak thali. So 1, 2, 3, 4 chonak. And what you guys have ordered?
This is the pad thai noodles. I think one's good.
What do you say?
Okay guys, the next thing what we ordered is dim sums. Yeah. Where's the smoke, man? Okay guys, so we got done with the food. The thali I would rate it like around 8 on 10. And right now we have come to Pataka Events ka office because Evander has to give one hard disk. So yes, we finished lunch and then we headed back home. And now Vaughn's come to pick me up. I don't know if we can see the car. And we're going to shoot night shot with the drone. Okay guys, we have reached to Pisco. I think I didn't vlog this part. So sadly, I forgot my memory card at home. And I had to just blink it. We got done with the shoot. And right now it is 11:30. And we are super hungry. So we came here to the OG place, Burger King. So this is my third time coming here, but yeah, I would prefer this over KFC and McD.
So guys, we got our food.
My first time coming here also.
Yeah? Oh, last time after the wedding we sat down only.
It's my third time coming here.
Oh.
So I got the Coke with ice and Vaughn just Coke.
With no ice.
It's cold only.
It's cold, but not that cold. I don't.
And this is my double whooper
No tomato.
with no tomato. Vaughn's is with tomato. This is peri peri fries. He's given us this as well. So for the meal we were not getting the double patty. So he did some jugaad and then like we had to just pay 20 rupees extra. And we're like, fine, fuck it. Let's just pay that 20 rupees. And because we are super hungry. Last we ate at around 3:45, 4 like that. And yeah, after that we didn't eat at all. And right now it's around 11:30 or 11:45. Yeah, na? 11:30. Alright guys, we're just gonna enjoy. I don't think I'm gonna shoot this. That's it for today's vlog. Go check out Uncle Jay's. It's a 10 on 10 place and it's right next to Panjim Church. And yeah, peace.